Good afternoon, students. In this video, I am going to discuss some more questions from the miscellaneous exercise of chapter number 7. Question number 6. The English alphabet has 5 vowels and 21 consonants. How many words with 2 different vowels and 3 different consonants can be formed from the alphabets? Now we are given 5 vowels and 21 consonants. So first you have to select 2 vowels. For selection we'll apply combination. So the ways are 5, C, 2, and then you have to select 2 consonant from 21 consonants. So this is 21 C2 into arrangements of these 4 letters. Now for arrangements we need to apply permutations. So the total ways are 4P4. So apply the formula. This is 5 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 3 factorial. Here 21 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 19 factorial, and this is 4 factorial divided by 0, that is 1. So this 5 factorial can be written as 3 factorial into 4 into 5 divided by 3 factorial into this 2 factorial is 2. Now this 3 factorial will be cancelled. Here this 21 factorial can be written as 19 factorial into 20 into 21. So this 2 factorial is 1 into 2 into 19 factorial. Again these 19 factorial will be cancelled, and this 4 factorial is the product of first 4 natural number. On simplification, your answer is 50,400. Question number 9. It is required to seat 5 men and 4 women in a row so that the women occupy the even places. In how many ways such arrangements are possible? Now, we have total 5 men and 4 women. That means total person are 9. Now, first I have written numbers from 1 to 9. And the condition is women will always occupy even places. Just look here. Here even places are 2, 4, 6 and 8. So we have 4 even places, and total women are also 4. So for these 4 places, 4 women can be arranged in 4P, 4 ways. So this is 4 factorial. Answer will be 24. And again for men 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have total 5 places. So these 5 men can be arranged in 5P 5 way. That means this is 5 factorial. This is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. 120. So total arrangements are arrangements of women multiply with the arrangements of men. Multiply these two. 24 into 120. So your answer is 2880. Question number 7. In an examination, a question paper consists of 12 questions divided into 2 parts, part 1 and part 2, containing 5 and 7 questions respectively. A student is required to attempt 8 questions in all, selecting at least 3 from each part. In how many ways can a student select the question? Now the total questions are 12, which are divided into 2 parts, part 1 and part 2. In part 1 we have 5 questions, and in part 2 we have 7 questions. Now a student is required to attempt 8 questions in all, selecting at least 3 from each part. So student will select at least 3 from each part, and in total he will attempt 8 questions. So the first way, if we select 3 from first part, that means from second part he has to select 5 questions. Or if from the first part 4 questions, then from second part again he has to choose 4 questions. Or if from the first part he select 5 questions, then from second part again he has to select 3 questions because the sum of these 2 questions should be equal to 8. Now in first part you have total 5 questions. That means we cannot move further. So the total ways are, just look here. Here you have total 5 questions. Here you have total 7 questions. 5, C, 3. And the 5 questions from second part. And means multiplication. Total 7. You have to select 5. 7, C, 5. Or means addition. Plus 5, C, 4. And means again multiplication. 7, C, 4. Plus again or means plus 5c5 into 7c3. Now apply the formula. This is 5 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 2 factorial. Here 7 factorial divided by 5 factorial into 2 factorial plus 5 factorial into 4 factorial into 1 factorial. Multiply with this. Again apply formula here. This is 7 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 3 factorial plus this is 5 factorial divided by 5 factorial into 0, or you can directly apply the formula NCN is always equal to 1. So this part is 1 into this is 7 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 4 factorial. Simplify them. This 5 factorial is 3 factorial into 4 into 5. So this 3 factorial will be cancelled. And this 2 factorial is 1 into 2. Again here, this is 5 factorial into 6 into 7. This 5 factorial will be cancelled. 2 factorial, 1 into 2. Again do simplification here. This is 4. This can be written as 4 factorial into 5. 7c4 is always equal to 7c3. So you can apply here this result also. This is 4 factorial into 5 into 6 into 7. In the same way you can do the simplification to this part. On multiplication, the answer of first part is 210, second is 175, third is 35. Add all these, you will get 420. From a class of 25 students, 10 are to be chosen for an excursion party. There are 3 students who decide that either all of them will join or none of them will join. In how many ways can the excursion party be chosen? Now, the total students are 25 and for excursion only 10 students will be there. So we have 2 options in this problem. Either all 3 of them will go, and the second part is none of them will go. Now the first part, if all 3 will go, the remaining student in the class, total are 25, 25 minus 3. So the remaining students will be 22. The number of students, you have to select total 10 students. 3 are already here. So from 10 now you have to select only 7. So number of students remain to be chosen for the excursion party will be 7. So that means from these 22 students, you have to select 7 only because these 3 will be there. So that means from these 22 students, now you have to select 7. So the ways are, for selection you will apply combination. This is 22C7. Apply the formula. 22 factorial divided by 7 factorial into 15 factorial. This 22 factorial can be written as 15 factorial into 16 into 17 up to so on. The multiplication will go up to 22. So this 15 factorial will be cancelled. Again, put the value of 7 factorial here. Simplified. This is the answer of first part. Or the second part is none of them will go. That means the student going will be 10, as those 3 students will not join the excursion party. So that means from remaining 22 students, you have to now select 10 students. So number of ways are 22C10. Apply the formula. Just do the simplification. So the total ways are add these two. So this is your answer. Or you can also attempt this question by using the tree diagram. Like you have 25 students in all. Just look here. You have total 25 students, and from 25 there are 3 students which will always join or they will not join, right? So that means remaining are 22. Now we have to select 10 in all. The first thought was all of them will join. 3 of them, all 3 will join. That means if these 3 are joining, so from here you have to select 7, right? The second part, none of them will join. If here you have 0, that means from 22 you can take 10.